look at example 4 in your notes packet. We're going to solve equations using the nth root. So now if we have some function like u that involves x, like an algebraic expression, and it's to the nth power, we can take the nth root of each side and solve for x. So looking at part A, we have 4x to the 5th equals 128. To solve this, we want to get x by itself. So we're going to divide both sides by 4. And we have x to the 5th equals 32. From here, we take the 5th root of both sides. So you can write it like this. And that cancels out on the left side, and we're left with just x. And then it's equal to the 5th root of 32, which you should know, or you can use your calculator to find that that's going to be equal to 2. So x equals 2. In part B, we have something a little bit different. We have x minus 3 to the 4th equals 21. X minus 3 is all by itself, so we don't have to divide by anything like we did in the first part. We just have to take the 4th root of both sides. So if we do that, I get x minus 3 equals the 4th root of 21. And because this root is even, we have to say plus or minus. Think about when you take the square root of x. You always put plus or minus in the front. So the 4th root, we're going to do the same. So now we add 3 to both sides. And I'm going to get x equals 3 plus or minus the 4th root of 21. And we don't need to simplify that any further because it is a decimal. But if you were to get the decimals, you would have, let's say, approximately equal to 3 plus 4th root of 21, which is about 5.41. Oh, 1/4. Oops. And then your second answer would be x is approximately equal to 0.86, and that would be 3 minus the 4th root of 21. Now let's take a look at the monitoring progress, numbers 13 and 15, and we'll do 14 and 16 in class tomorrow. So for number 13, we want to start off by dividing both sides by 8. Because remember, we want the algebraic expression, which here is x, by itself. So we'll get x to the 3rd equals 8. And then when we take the cube root of that, we're going to get 2. So that's our answer. X equals 2. Now take a look at number 15. So the first step for number 15 is going to be get rid of this exponent. To do that, we want to take the 4th root of 16. You should know that the 4th root of 16 is 2. So when we subtract 5 from both sides, we're going to get negative 5 plus or minus 2. And remember, you have that plus or minus in here. So then my two answers, I don't need to get decimals here. I have negative 5 plus 2, which is negative 3, and negative 5 minus 2, which is negative 7. And there's your answer for number 15.